Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ristri Ardani. I am a student of Psychology Faculty in Persada Indonesia University. My student number is 212409091. Today, I will explain my assignment from Mr. Budiantoro. And the topic is about transportation. I will share the screen for the text. Okay. There are four topics in this discussion. First topic is transportation in Indonesia. Second topic is land transportation. And third is air transportation. And the last is water transportation. Okay, the first topic is transportation in Indonesia. Transportation is a means of transportation, conveyance, or vehicle. In this article, we will discuss various kinds of vocabulary about vehicles or means of transportation that we must have often found or even used in everyday life. Transportation is divided into three models, namely land, air, and water transportation. We will discuss one by one the vocabulary about transportation that belongs to that category. And we must read carefully the following vocabulary with example sentences. How is Indonesia suddenly capable of building its own high-speed train? Okay, to the second topic, land transportation. Land transportation is land transportation, which is a tool or vehicle used to move living things and inanimate objects from one place to another by road or rail. It's mean train. And vehicles included in land transportation include cars, bicycle or bike, motorcycles, train, bus, truck, and becak. Becak we can say rickshaw. Let's see if each of these words is used in a sentence. Example, my father drives me to school in his car. That means my father takes me to school in his car. And number two, bicycle with only one wheel is called a unicycle. Number three, gasoline full motorcycles. And number four, this train has 7 locomotives. Number five, a night bus crashes into another car on the highway. And then garbage trucks dump their content into landfills. And the last, mother goes to the market by rickshaw. There are the example of the sentences about land transportation. And now we discuss the next topic, the second topic, that's air transportation. Air transportation is means of transportation that uses a machine so that it can fly at a certain height and is also used to carry passengers or goods. Some of the types of vehicles in the air are airplanes, aircraft, passenger aircraft, cargo aircraft, that's plans for moving goods over long distance quickly, and fighter aircraft. There are an aircraft used by the Air Force. And the other types of vehicles in the air are helicopter, spaceship, hot air balloon, and so on. This is the examples of sentences that use the vocabulary of types of vehicles in the air are as follows. The plane lives at 8. Helicopters are also used as search and rescue vehicles. Soyuz is a Russian spacecraft first built in the 1960s. Hot air balloon tour is a unique attraction in Cappadocia, Turkey. Okay, that's the example of sentences use the type vehicles in the air. And the next, we will discuss about water transportation, the third topic. Water transportation is also known as sea transportation, namely transportation that transports passengers or goods by water. Water transportation is also often used for short trips and cruises. Some types of water transportation that are familiar to our eyes are boat, ship, sailboat, cargo ship, submarine, speedboat, naval ship. And let's try the vocabulary about water transportation above the sentence. This boat can only carry 2 people at a time. Or this boat only carries 2 people at a time. Titanic was the largest ship of her time. The third examples, a sailboat can sail against the wind. And then a tanker is a type of cargo ship used to transport oil. Or we can say ship is a type of cargo ship used to move oil. Another example is submarines can be submerged for months. Or we can say submarines can be underwater for months. Andy can ride the speedboat well. And the last example is the oldest naval ship in history built in 1765. Okay, that's my assignment for English in psychology faculty, and safe healthy and safe happy. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.